welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. My name is JB Hilliard, and these are video snippets, short snippets designed to answer questions that you may have about estate planning or probate, or maybe there are other legal matters that may be impacting your household that you have questions about. And for this week, I thought I would continue actually from the previous Wednesday Wisdom video in the discussion about guardianships. I had several questions come in, and one thing that I did want to either clarify or bring to your attention, one of the main questions was this, and that was what rights are given up if you have to have a guardian over you as an adult, and I'm talking about adult guardianships. And a few of the main things would be that you, as the ward, the one needing the guardian, you would lose the right to marry. Maybe that's a good thing for some of you. You would lose the right to enter into any kind of contractual agreement, which understandably so, because if a guardianship is needed, that means you are incompetent or incapacitated in some major form or fashion. You would not be able to move or change domicile. So that could be somewhat constrictive or restrictive depending on where you are in the process. And so even though the court is really wanting to have the least restrictive method or tool in place to help you if you do become incapacitated or totally incompetent and the like, there are certain things that a guardianship will not allow you to do that other forms of or other tools will allow you to do. So it really just depends. Of course, everything will depend on the circumstances, the level of illness or sickness or incapacitation, the people in your circle, the ones who are petitioning on your behalf, the ones who want to be your guardian or want to help you and serve on your behalf. A whole lot of factors and a whole lot of moving parts need to be a part of the equation and a part of the discussion as part of the overall process. Now, one way to eliminate or maybe reduce a lot of this is to have your estate plan in place. A guardian or a ward under a guardianship also would not be able to make his or her own decisions about medical treatments. And so that's where that advanced healthcare directive, or depending on your jurisdiction, maybe you call it a medical power of attorney, that's where those types of things would come into play, or a durable power of attorney to handle your financial affairs. All of those are a lot less restrictive than a guardianship. And so you want to just plan for the worst and hope for the best. How about that? So with that said, that's all I have for this week. We may continue this discussion next time. But until then, as always, I thank you for watching, and we'll see you then.